What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another video, and today I will be showing you my Philippine Airlines Bombardier -8 Q400. So this aircraft, it's kind of a very special aircraft for me because this aircraft I have flown already after the Typhoon Yolanda, or Haiyan for international name. And yeah, that was 2014. The year later, after Yolanda struck the city of Tacloban in Leyte. So before we start, for those two subscriber of mine that requested me the Cebu Pacific A320 in the old livery and the A321neo in the new livery, I will be doing it next after the Q400. So yeah, let's go ahead and start with the aircraft. So starting off, here we have the cockpit windows, the two turboprop or propeller of the aircraft, the left and right main landing gear, and the nose front landing gear. And yeah, so there's the left and right wing and the two tail wings. Moving on, here at the side, you can see the whole livery, which is just plain white with the Philippine flag at the back. You can see the Philippine Airlines title, the left engine and the left landing gear, main landing gear, as well as the door, the windows, and the back door, as well as the cargo hold, or yeah, that's the thing. Moving on to the back, there is pretty much nothing to see. Then the tail itself and the back of the two engines, and as well as the main landing gear, of course, or whatever you call this part. Over here at the side, there's barely nothing you can probably, nothing much to see. It's probably the same, but here is the one exit door. I mean, there's also supposed to be another emergency exit door over like here or somewhere, but yeah, I was too lazy to add it, and I just leave it like that. And also, I forgot this part. Oh, I wonder what these are called, or is this called fins or something, or I don't know, but that part. You can also see that part at the side of both. At the side of the aircraft. So yeah, guys, thanks all for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to hit that notification bell. And yeah, this video will be very short, around like 2.30 minutes something. And yeah, see you guys, stay safe, and bye.